Hello guys, welcome back. Konnichiwa. Herzlich willkommen. Yeah guys, update here on Intel Corporation's ticker INTC. I want to show you here the price levels and why I'm bullish on Intel, guys. I have some long positions in here and I will buy more if we reach here my price target, and I give you here all the updated price level information. This is of course not financial advice, this is my opinion based on the chart. Yeah guys, we have here some huge volume spikes for Intel. We start here with the daily chart and I love volume spikes, guys. That means the volatility is in, and here is some fight ongoing between bulls and bears, and I will show you the algo demand zones here where the buying algos are waiting. This is not a coincidence, guys, and I love volume spikes. Why? Because normally I try to predict here short squeezes every week. We had, I don't know guys, I think 8 short squeezes in the last 2 weeks after my prediction. I give you the very quick example how that looks like. So usually I post here my short squeeze stocks on Patreon. This can be a video or a screenshot. I have also swing trade alerts on Patreon, and we can see that I made my video release here on that day, and I mentioned to my members that this blue box is the algo demand zone where I expect the algos to buy, aka force a squeeze, and this is the exit price level, guys, this blue line here. And then we can see just here 1, 2, 3, 4 trading days later, that was the day when I released the video, we came back down in this zone and we had a picture perfect short squeeze here of 140%, guys. We had a couple of squeezes. I can show you here plenty of screenshots where we always have the same setups. I will also show you that here for Intel. Intel is not a classic short squeeze stock, but we have here of course a very nice potential to make here some money, because I expect here a bullish reversal to happen. But if you also want to see my secret short squeeze plays, then you can of course join us here on Patreon. The full package membership is the most popular membership which I have, guys. You not only get access here to my short squeeze and swing trade alerts, I also have here member tutorials available, member FAQ section. So here are a lot of information for beginners and advanced traders. The link is patreon.com/blackbelttrader, and also of course available here in the video description. By the end of this video, in the video credits, you also see a membership explained video. So my friends, Intel, we can see that we have now here a lot of green lines in the chart. Yeah, $20.88, $25, $28, and so on. These are open up gaps, guys, and open up gaps should get filled sooner or later. We have the same with down gaps. This is the problem. We have also here some down gaps in the chart, but for Intel we have here some very strong liquidity zones where usually the buying algos are buying or waiting. And now I show you here my drawings, guys, and this is a very old chart. This is not a new chart. We have I don't know when I draw this here, that was a couple of months ago, and I never change my drawings, guys. As soon as I spot and identify algo liquidity zones, of course in favor for the bears and bulls, then I stick to that, guys. And this is also here part of my own trading strategy. For Intel, we have here the main algo demand zone between $18.10 and $16.20. That means that I expect as soon as the price dips in this zone that we see here a big buying reaction. What the market makers do to scare you, to scare retail investors, to shake you out of your positions, to trigger stop losses, they bring the price below that zone. We have a very strong support here, guys, a very strong support in the $14 range to $13 range. I don't expect that we come low like that, but as I said, it is possible that we see here a gap down overnight, that the market makers break this zone here. Let me make that a little bit more transparent for you guys here, that we break below this zone here, below $16.25, and see here a technical shakeout. This is possible, guys. But when we see the history here, when we go here to the weekly chart, so then we can see that in the past 23 years, Intel never came lower than $12, or $12, guys. Here between $13 and $12 was the main support, and we never came low like this. If we are still in a bullish trend, which I absolutely think, that should mean we don't see lower lows. So somewhere here in this range between $18 and $16 is the support. The lower we come, the closer we come here to the $12 range, guys, the better it is. I will just buy more Intel shares. Simple like that. When we talk about the indicator settings here, we can see that the price is finding here some kind of bottom. We had here in August 2024 the first big shakeout candle here, and since then you can see that we are accumulating here at the $18 range, and the lower we come, the stronger the technical reactions. And the RSI here is already showing some strength. You can see that the RSI is going up. The price is not really going up. We always find the same bottom. So something like this here, you can see we have the same pattern here. And when you compare what happened here with the Intel price, guys, we had here even something like a small, I don't want to call it a short squeeze, but I mean that was a run of more than 100%. This is exactly what I want to see for Intel. When we zoom out, and I will switch off for a second the indicators, then we also have this yellow trend line here, which acts as a squeeze trigger or bullish support and a resistance. And even if we just retest this line, then we talk already here about the price range of $33. Something like a W pattern or U pattern could build up here. We had this leg down. This is not a natural price action, guys, when the price drops like that. And you can see now we are accumulating here, and usually we have the same way back. And the algo squeeze trigger, well, let's call it squeeze trigger price level, guys, for Intel is $44. So the bearish market makers don't want that Intel close above $44.70. If we just retest over the next weeks and months this price level based on today's price, $20.05, I try to catch it here, guys, we have already here a 123% price run up potential. Yeah, so we are accumulating here in this algo trend channel pattern. This is here where Intel is responding, and that's why I say latest, guys, latest, if we really should touch the bottom of this trend channel here, this is where I will buy more Intel shares. I will load the boat, guys, and based on today's price, that would mean we talk here about $14.26 or lower. So the next algo liquidity zone, let's talk about the bear case scenario, is this blue box here, the lowest potential price which I ever see for Intel. I don't expect that right now. I just want to mention it because we could, of course, see a market shakeout is between $13.70 and $8, guys. Yeah, we never came low like this in the past 23 years, but never say never. This is trading. As I said, for me, this is just a dip. I will not be scared by the market makers. We are here in a super bullish uptrend. Look at this chart pattern here, guys. This is very bullish. Even we could not break a new all-time high for Intel, but the overall structure is more than bullish. And in my opinion, the market makers just accumulate their positions here to create the next bull run for Intel. And as I said, that the price target is here $44, at least $44. That means that we have here almost a 100 or more than 100%, yeah, bullish breakout potential. Yeah, guys, this is here my quick and dirty chart analysis on Intel. I hope that is helpful for you. If you want to copy here the price goals from my chart, let me extend that for you. This is here everything based on TradingView. This is the chart program what I use for all my trades and of course here for all my videos. If you have not a good chart tool, guys, I recommend that program since it helps you to spot the entry and exit levels here, which are based on algos. And you can get that program today. I have a $15 discount link available here in the video description. I recommend the premium tier. This is also what I use here in my video. My friends, that was the update. If you don't want to miss any updates, then please hit the like and subscribe button right now. I thank you so much for your time. I appreciate your support and see you in the next video. Arigatou gozaimasu. Vielen Dank. Alles Gute und bis zum nächsten Intel-Video. Take care. Bye bye, guys.